All right, here it is. Finished product. Peter's bus. Got the names up there. My name is up there somewhere. Yellow bus sails. So yeah, there it is. There's Adam.
Apparently Noah's filming. I just now started filming.
Yeah, did a tour. Just a walk around. Definitely doesn't look the same as it did in my other video, does it? You can see all the stuff in there. But yeah, pretty neat. So for those of you guys who don't know about Hot Wheels, this bus is actually modeled after a Hot Wheels race car from the 90s. It was actually a Pontiac or Grand Am.
Yeah, there you go.
And it's pretty much painted up like that. Peter is also like me. He also likes Hot Wheels, so that's what this is. So the one side we got the...
Hello, short hair.
Hi.
How's it going?
Great.
Why'd you shave?
Because I don't like my facial hair, that's why.
Okay. You doing it to Locks of Love?
No.
Oh, okay. How do you like the bus?
Great. I think this looks fantastic.
I do too.
I also have to say, this, very nice car.
Thank you.
Makes it that much real.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. So here's the inside of the bus. Yep. Doing a video. What's that?
Okay. It's related to the flashers. Okay. Alright. Come up here for a second once you're
Okay.
exploring the rest of the...
Completely different than the last video. It's crazy. Look at that.
Trying to figure out when I can't believe
Now I know why people convert these things.
Yeah. Had to show you guys one more thing. School bus heritage, saving the black and yellow one bus at a time. He's gonna have the view of this right as he's driving. Yeah, so Peter, tell everybody how you're feeling.
Terrified.
Yeah.
How about you, Noah?
I'm nervous for you, honestly.
That's more terrifying. Thank
Yeah.
you.
I would
I'm
never,
excited,
I
and
would
I think
never
you'll do great.
want to do this. It would,
Yeah, you say that.
yeah, no, it would scare the of me.
You know what they haven't had this bus race yet?
What?
A rear engine.
Oh,
bus.
real funny, Peter.
He saw that coming. We didn't even wait.
I
for
did,
it to finish.
I did. But
If you notice, they've got the F-Series back there again.
oh yeah, I saw that.
Boys and
I
girls
saw that.
album.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, look, and then the Barbie bus is right over there.
Yes, it is.
You guys might remember it from. It actually rolled over in the last video.
Oh, was that the last video?
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
2 years ago when we were here.
That's right. You
Yeah.
didn't come last year.
Nope. So that's pretty much it for now. There'll probably be more racing shots to come. So yeah.
A Hornet practice for the Hornet Nationals. Who's ready for school buses? Everybody loves school buses. 15 school buses here tonight. And the school buses only race 2 times a year. They used to only race 1 time a year. But we now added them a 2nd time the last couple of years. So 15 of them are here tonight. Some of the older school buses are still here. Not even some new competitors. All right. Here comes the second group of school buses. 28 of Brian Litchfield. Here's the 44. This is the new bus. Peter Huffman is the 44. Been Peter a long time. And he's super excited to be here. 245 of T-Roy. 59 of Michael Engel. Michael Engel is always one to keep your eye on. He has won the bus feature. Here comes the ring flag. All right, here's another group here. There's the Shark Car, 78 of Roger Chrisman. How about the Shark Bus? There's Josh Shaw in the Shark Bus. The three. In Ohio in the 59. He's always a contender here. So we're just waiting on the 310 of Doug Yost. As mentioned, he's in this race. He just won halfway home here. Saw Shaw doing a whale of a job up front, but Dave Chrisman is slowly reeling him in. Saw Shaw, the Shark Bus got a little high there. Coming off of the second turn. Now Mike Engel has gotten around Jonathan Schuster for third. White flag in the air, one more time around for the Shark Bus. Here he comes out of turn number 4. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Winner of heat race number 1 for the school buses, it's the Shark Bus. Hacksaw Shaw. Dan Crispin in the Bulldozer second. Mike Engel third. Fourth to Jonathan Schuster. All right, heat race number 2. Heat race number 2, the X1 Bat Bus out of Roar, Indiana is Josh Ballou. Outside of runner 1, sponsored by Greater Cincinnati Hot Wheels Club, Yellow Bus Sales out of New Cumberstown, Ohio, and Countryside Graphics out of Cold Spring, Kentucky. The 44, Peter Huffman. Welcome, Peter Huffman, to the bus races. Road number 2, sponsored by Midwest Shades, Shaw Signs, Shaw Hot Rods, Custom Truck and Fleet Service. Green flag is out. Oh man, I think that back bus was trying to get everybody to slow down with those yellow lights. Well, yeah, that worked out well. Green flag is out. 3X of Adam Clark, the family truckster. Takes the lead. Family truckster, of course, from National Lampoon's Vacation, up team. That bus rolling very, very well. All Neighbor holds down the second spot. Oh, here comes the Barbie bus to make the move to the inside of the Hot Wheels bus. Barbie bus, but Peter Huffman in the Hot Wheels bus. Doing a good job himself. Gave him a few pointers here. I had the privilege to drive a school bus a few years ago at one of these races. It was a lot of fun. Side by side into turn number 1. for the third spot. Give it to the Barbie bus. Family Truckster cross flags. Boy, this fat bus is pathetic. Somebody needs to tell him which one the gas pedal is. Lawrenceburg Speedway of Lawrenceburg, Indiana, the 228 is Brian Litchfield. He's in the Toy Mania bus. Outside of row number 2, Ready to Roll, a sponsor from Dayton, Kentucky on the 245 of T-Rolling. And row number 3, sponsored by Chrisman Equipment Excavating and Todd's Record. Bus number 78, it's the Shark Cutter, Roger Chrisman. Won this race before. Shark Cutter, that Roger Chrisman driven Shark Cutter short bus. Man, that's fast. That's winning to chop the back end off of it. Line all the way up to third. He's going to go right around both of these leaders. Dalton Baird's going to grab the lead. Oh, the Shark Cutter. He's looking for the Shark Bus. Shark Bus is in the back waiting. The leader comes Chrisman. Alright, it's time for your school bus feature. 10 laps the distance. Here's how they'll line up your posted of the 3 of Dalton Baird and the Boy Scouts bus. He's outside, how appropriate his wife, Michelle Baird, driving the Barbie bus. That's bus 12. Number 2, the 34 of Dan Chrisman in the Bulldozer bus. Roger Chrisman, the Shark Cutter. Bus 78. Row 3, ACN Clark to the 3X. Outside the third row is Josh Shaw in the Shark Bus. Bus number 2. Row 4, the 59 of Mike Angle from Shandon, Ohio in the 59. Who's outside the 44 out of Cold Spring, Kentucky, Peter Huffman in the Hot Wheels Bus. Row 5, the 69 of Ogden, Iowa, that's Dan Longerville. The outside of him, the 6 of Jonathan Schuster in the Fort Knight Battle Bus. Row 6 is Paul Neighbor. You want to take a ride on one of these school buses, you need to wave your hands. We'll try to get some of you through the windows of these buses so you can ride around with them during the race. That's a joke, I'm just kidding. Wave at these buses! Who's going to win this school bus race? Turns 1 and 2, here come the school buses. Kids, are you at your bus stop? All right, turn 2, they're coming at you. Got the Bears on the front row, the Boy Scouts, and the Barbie bus.
I want to try that.
All right, 10 laps, green flag laps, the only ones that count. Pretty crazy, folks. A couple of years ago, this Barbie bus right here, not driven by Michelle at the time, actually flipped. That was no joke. It actually got on its side in turn number 2 and slid across the racetrack. Not something you see very often in a bus. Run over. All right, 10 laps. Coming at you. Keep your eye on the shark punter and the shark bus. They're on the outside there. Green flag is out. We're racing here in the school buses. Oh boy. Bulldozer trying to take the lead away from the Barbie bus. The shark bus trying to split the middle. Here comes Shaw. Oh boy. Here comes the shark bus through the middle. Oh, boys and girls, we have a new leader. It's the shark bus. Shark bus, Hacksaw Shaw. Oh, the 59 of Mike Campbell. And he's a call tonight. Maybe he should pick up kids at the bus stop. I wouldn't get on that bus. Here they come at a turn before. Here comes Hacksaw Shaw. Leading the field. Oh, we got some contact here. And here we have to go yellow flag for the 59 of Mike Engel. Yellow flag. Okay, so under yellow flag.